Hello, yesterday we went asda to get some fireworks. A big collection. That's a big box. We got some sparklers here. Big ones, mega sparklers, monster sparklers, and gold sparklers. We got these rockets, 2 kinds, yeah, and 3 kinds, and yeah, you can pull them in the tube. Plus we got 7 boxes of fireworks. We've got colour storms. I don't know what that was. A wheel. Moon dust. And loads of different ones. But in this box we've got like 200 shots. Ruby Storm. These are ones with shots. These are called Deep Space. But that was our collection of fireworks.